Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Afu, your favorite destination to learn English in a fun and simple way. I'm your teacher and I am super excited to see you all smiling. Today we are going to learn a very useful structure that contains use to, which helps you talk about your past habits or the things you did in the past but don't do right now. What does this word used to describes? It describes our past habits, right? I hope this is clear to you that used to is used for describing our past habits which we used to do earlier in the past, but right now we don't do that. Today we are going to learn a very useful structure used to, which will help you talk about habits or things you did in the past but don't do anymore. So raise your hands if you ever have said something like I used to play cricket or I used to go to the school by bus. Sounds familiar, right? Great, let's begin our class. First, let us discuss what does used to mean. What is the meaning of used to? The structure used to with a verb talks about something that was true in the past but not true right now. For example, I used to watch cartoons every day. मैं हर दिन कार्टून्स देखा करती थी. It means I used to watch cartoons every day. It means in the past I watched cartoons daily but now I don't watch because I am so busy. That's why I don't have habit right now to watch the cartoons. So let us learn about the sentences, how to make the sentences with the help of the structure that contains used to. There are basically 4 types of sentences we use in our daily life. We will discuss them. First would be affirmative sentences and the second would be negative, third would be interrogative and the last fourth will be interrogative plus negative sentences. We will talk one by one on each topic. First, let us learn the used to here. It's written as you can see. Used to is used to talk about past habits that no longer happen or exist. I have already cleared this line to you, okay? And it is used to describe something you did regularly in the past but don't do now. Let us look at the examples. As I have told you that there are 4 kinds of sentences. First, we are going to start the sentences. Those sentences are affirmative sentences, okay? We are going to start our topic with affirmative sentences first. Affirmative sentences are simple sentences in which we talk about our past habit which we used to have in the past. So for making such kind of sentences, or we can say for making affirmative or positive sentences, we have a structure that contains subject for the first. After subject we would use used to and then the first form of the verb and in the last object. For example, if I say मैं कार्टून्स देखा करती थी, who is the subject here? I. Used to, what is my verb? मैं क्या काम किया करती थी? What work did I used to do? Watching, okay? So I would say I used to watch because we are going to take the first form of the verb. I used to watch. What did I used to watch? Cartoons, yes, okay? I used to watch cartoons daily. मैं हर रोज़ कार्टून्स देखा करती थी. I used to watch cartoons daily. मैं अपनी फ्रेंड से बातें किया करती थी. I used to talk to my friend. I used to talk to my friend. It's up to us. Either we want to take the object in the sentence or not. It's totally up to us. मैं पेंसिल से लिखा करती थी. I used to write with the pencil. I used to write with the pencil. Right now I write with the help of pen. Let us look at the examples of affirmative sentences for the first to clear our confusion, okay? लेट्स सी, वी आर हैविंग द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस दैट इज मैं हर दिन कार्टून देखा करती थी. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, आई यूज टू वॉच कार्टून्स एवरी डे. और आई कैन से आई यूज टू वॉच कार्टून्स डेली. मैं हर दिन कार्टून देखा करती थी. आई यूज टू वॉच कार्टून्स एवरी डे. और आई कैन से आई यूज टू वॉच कार्टून्स डेली. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, मैं क्रिकेट खेला करता था या मैं क्रिकेट खेला करती थी. आई यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट. मैं बैडमिंटन खेला करती थी. आई यूज टू प्ले बैडमिंटन. मैं चेस खेला करती थी. आई यूज टू प्ले चेस. वी आर जस्ट चेंजिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट हेयर. ओके, वी कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द सब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तुम हर वक्त, और वी कैन से तुम हर रोज हर दिन लूडो खेला करते थे. यू यूज टू प्ले लूडो एवरी डे. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द अनदर एग्जाम्पल दैट इज तुम बहुत शांत हुआ करते थे. राइट नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पर्सन हु यूज टू बी क्वाइट. What did I say? I am talking about a person who used to be quiet earlier. So I would say you used to be so quiet. तुम बहुत शांत हुआ करते थे. You used to be so quiet. तुम बहुत शांत हुआ करते थे. नेक्स्ट इज वो कविताएं लिखा करती थी. वो कविताएं लिखा करती थी. इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ गर्ल, सो वी वुड से शी यूज टू राइट पोम्स. It's not poems, it's poems. Okay, the pronunciation of this word is poem. It's up to us. We can pronounce it as poems, but it's poems in a correct pronunciation way. She used to write poems. Next, वो बहुत तेज बोला करता था. He used to speak very fast. वो बहुत तेज बोला करता था. He used to speak very फास्ट. तुम बहुत धीमा बोला करते थे. यू यूज टू स्पीक वेरी स्लो. आर यू गेटिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्पीकिंग सच काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेज? इन दीज सेंटेंसेज वी आर जस्ट टेलिंग अबाउट आर पास्ट एक्शंस विच वी यूज टू हैव. क्लियर? लेट्स लुक एट द अनदर सेंटेंस दैट इज तुम खेला करते थे. यू यूज टू प्ले. तुम खेला करते थे. If I say वो खेला करती थी, she used to play. See, in this sentence, you used to play. We haven't used any object like cricket, ludo. As I already said to you that we can make a sentence without an object as well. And it's up to us if we want to keep the object or if we want to mention the object in the sentence. We can mention as much as bigger or as much as smaller. It's up to us. Like, you used to play cricket. It's a small object, right? It's a small object. Now if I say you used to play cricket every day with your friend, now I have increased the length of the object. Are you getting or are you understanding what I want to say? Okay, let's move further. Next sentence is वो बहुत सोती थी. She used to sleep a lot. वो बहुत सोती थी. She used to sleep a lot. नेक्स्ट, हम स्कूल जाया करते थे. वी यूज टू गो टू स्कूल. वी यूज टू गो टू स्कूल. हम स्कूल जाया करते थे. वी यूज टू गो टू स्कूल. हम बस से स्कूल जाया करते थे. नाउ इट्स योर टाइम टू मेक दिस सेंटेंस. हम बस से स्कूल जाया करते थे. अर्लियर आई सेड हम स्कूल जाया करते थे. वी यूज टू गो टू स्कूल. नाउ आई एम सेइंग हम बस से स्कूल जाया करते थे. सो आई वुड से वी यूज टू गो टू स्कूल बाय bus. We used to go to school by bus. Clear? If you are having any query or if you want to ask any sentence, you can comment me. Let us move further with another examples. Let's see, we are having so many examples. Right now we are learning about the affirmative sentences. First, let us clear the confusion of ours regarding affirmative sentences, so that we might not face any problem in pronouncing or in speaking the sentences regarding affirmative sentences. Okay, let's look at another sentences. सो आर नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, मैं कहानी की किताबें पढ़ा करता था, और वी कैन से मैं कहानी की किताबें पढ़ा करती थी। आई यूज टू रीड स्टोरी बुक्स, कहानी की किताबें स्टोरी बुक्स, ओके। आई यूज टू रीड स्टोरी बुक्स। वो हर सुबह चाय पिया करती थी। शी यूज टू ड्रिंक टी एवरी मॉर्निंग। शी यूज टू ड्रिंक टी एवरी मॉर्निंग। वे देर से आया करते थे। दे यूज टू कम लेट। दे यूज टू कम लेट। वे देर से आया करते थे। दे यूज टू कम लेट। वह जल्दी उठ जाया करती थी। शी यूज टू वेक अप अर्ली। शी यूज टू वेक अप अर्ली। वह जल्दी उठ जाया करती थी। शी यूज टू वेक अप अर्ली। मैं अपना होमवर्क भूल जाया करती थी। आई यूज टू फॉरगेट माई होमवर्क। मैं अपना होमवर्क भूल जाया करती थी। आई यूज टू फॉरगेट माई होमवर्क। इफ़ आई से तुम अपना होमवर्क भूल जाया करते थे। यू यूज टू फॉरगेट योर होमवर्क। आर यू गेटिंग? हेयर आई सेड मैं अपना होमवर्क भूल जाया करती थी। सो आई यूज्ड आई एंड माई वर्क बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई वर्क। बट इन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस आई सेड तुम अपना होमवर्क भूल जाया करते थे। यू यूज टू फॉरगेट योर होमवर्क। नाउ इन प्लेस ऑफ माई वी आर गोइंग टू यूज योर। क्लियर? Our last sentence regarding affirmative sentences is वह देर तक जागा करती थी। She used to stay up late. She used to stay up late. वह देर तक जागा करती थी। She used to stay up late. Okay, well done, learners. You have just mastered the used to structures regarding affirmative sentences in this class. Remember, it's used to talk about past habits or repeated actions that no longer happen now. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. In this video, I have told you the use of affirmative sentences with the help of used to tell about your past actions which you used to do earlier, but right now you do not do such kind of actions. If this video helped you, or if this video is really helpful for you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Affu with your friends. You should share the channel with your friends so that they also can learn many new things. Just keep on practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next class with another useful structure. Till then, take care and bye. Okay? Bye everyone. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.